Talent Search Cymru is back.
I sincerely hope not.
Well done, Dave. Kelly, what did you think of Dave's performance?
Well, what a beautiful song. Do you know, I love the meaning behind the song, and I'm really glad that you chose to share that with everybody and what the song means to you. And that
I'm really grateful for you all to listen.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I love the amount of passion that you put into that. And it was a different side. You know, last week you had a bit of a rock, you know, a bit of fun, and we saw that passion. And now you've done something very serious, very meaningful to you, and we got to see that side of you and that sort of passion. And I love that you are passionate about everything that you do, and I think that's really important. I love the guitar. I love the fact that you were very, very thoughtful this week and put it in English for those of us who don't speak Welsh. I thought that was a lovely touch. So thank you for performing that, and thank you for sharing your reasons. I thought it was lovely. Well done.
Zoe?
Yeah, like Hal just said, these little lyric sheets are well cute. I love them. Very thoughtful. The oohs at the beginning, oh my god, wow, they were stunning. Like, they were so well controlled and they were so pretty. I love them. Vocally, I definitely think this was a huge step up from last week. Yeah.
I just want to... Is this off?
No, it's on, buddy.
Right, well, anyway.
Oh, just switch it up.
Switch it up. Ah, there we go. Yeah. Now, by the sounds of him, Clay is a tenor, so I had to change the key a bit because I'm a baritone.
That's good. It shows you know what you're doing, you know what you're capable of.
I'm
That's
proud
brilliant.
to be a baritone.
Good.
If I may say so.
Yeah. But yeah, nevertheless, I love the passion in that. I loved like the verse, like the contrast between this performance this week compared to last week. Like, it was much more like stripped back. The message, everything, and you really told that story. I felt that. So yeah, well done.
Travis?
Well, as a proud baritone myself, I must say thank you, Nath. I really appreciate that.
I have heard you do Mind Ways, so
Have you? I humbly apologise.
twice.
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 I've done it more than that, trust me, too many times. I have to thank you again as well, because I feel like I'm not proud to admit it, but I know not a lick of Welsh. So the fact that you gave me this, and everyone this, it shows not only how thoughtful you are, but you're willing to go above and beyond for your craft. I appreciate it, I really do, and it also allowed me to really connect with the song in such a much more meaningful way. That's the one problem, and no fault of your own. The one problem I had with previous performances is that I had no clue what you were singing. I felt everything, and I loved what you were doing, but I couldn't understand the word. This helped. Exactly, this helped immensely. Fantastic stuff, Nath. What I've seen of you before, because obviously we know each other outside of this competition and everything.
Only for a long time.
For quite a while, I will give him that. And you've come on so much, Nath, in so many ways, not just musically. And I feel that the place that you're in now, you've really found yourself. You are at a point now where you're confident in your abilities and you are ready to show everyone what you can do. As a member of the autistic community myself, and a person on the autistic spectrum, I have so much respect for you for what you're doing. Thank you.
Nick, does it mean we're going to be getting these every week?
If that would help.
Oh, bless you. That's really, really thoughtful, that is.
Can I just say quickly, if you couldn't read my face then, I'm just proud to hear what you've said about being passionate and all that.
Thank you.
Autism community and all that. Okay?
Brother.
Awesome.
Don't get me wrong, but don't you forget it.
Good man. Good man.
Yeah, so Nick, in terms of what you've done tonight, like, obviously, like, you know, I have so much appreciation for the message you tried to wear and everything like that. It's amazing, honestly, so I've got to commend you for that, and I don't want to take that away from it. But we've got to remember at the same time, too, this is a competition. It's not just an event where you turn up and perform and stuff. It is a competition, and it is going to get tougher. And what I mean by tougher is that, you know, in terms of what you do vocally, you know, there is a lot of work. Like, there's a lot of work to be done vocally. And I'm telling you that because I want you to push further. So when you're at home, just work on, just, you know, maybe listening back to yourself. I don't know if you do that already, but record yourself on the phone, listen back, and if you feel like something don't sit right, just keep improving it, that sort of stuff. There's definitely work to be done there vocally, but in terms of the message and everything, I don't think anybody in the room can fault it. It's amazing, and I think all of us are behind you for that. But we've got to remember this is a talent competition, and we've got to look at everything, and the vocals definitely. I'm telling you that because I want you to go away and work a little bit harder on the vocals, all right? Other than that, well done.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.